Hello. Hello, check. Hello. Hello. Front monitor volume to দিব. Hello. 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 Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello. Dole Paul alang ito mapan. Asik iti beverage people senado marlito for one last time. Again, alang litong bang trahidiyang mo bensinon bang Trump abang PC final along chupati pompo. Nasi pader dipin penal litong hangpon pinone. So out of 12 contestants, only 6 contestants will move to the next round, that is the final round. And the first contestant who make it to the final round is contestant number... Sini mana itu? Contestant number 4. Can we have contestant number 4? Can we have the music? Congratulations to you, contestant number 4. Music, sound engineer, can we have the music, please? Moving on to next. The next contestant moving to the final round is contestant number... Any contestants from the audience? And the next contestant moving to the final round of the Miss KYF 2026 is contestant number 2. Contestant number 2. Can we have a big hand for contestant number 2? Alright. Moving on to next, we have the next contestant moving to the final round is contestant number 1. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 1? Congratulations to you. We have 3 more contestants to go. And the next contestant moving to the final round of the Miss KYM 2026 is, and it goes to contestant number 14. 1-4. Congratulations to contestant number 14. Next contestant who make it to the final round of the Miss KYF 2026 is contestant number... Please join me in welcoming contestant number 19. 19. Contestant number 19. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 19? Last but not the least, we have one more contestant, and it goes to contestant number 12. 1-2. Contestant number 12. Congratulations to you. So people, these are the 6 finalists presenting before you. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for our 6 finalists? So don't follow the mistake to be rich and every person that don't really to. Analito back from a more safe pinning. I think I'm Miss KYF. And don't be but they final along to the public poll. So thank you so much, ladies. The rest of you may get it to the backstage. Thank you. question will be asked from the judges, and accordingly the contestant have to respond it to the judges. Okay, judges, are you ready? Shall we start? Okay. We'll start with contestant number 12.
Good evening, contestant number 12.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great and excited.
That's very nice. Are you ready for my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you an easy one. What is the one thing about Karbi Anglong that you feel proud of?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. My answer to your question is the one thing that I am proud of the Karbi Anglong is that they carry their culture and traditions with pride. They always try to preserve their tradition and showcase the world how their traditions and culture looks like. That is the one thing that make us all feel proud of being a part of Karbi Anglong. Thank you.
Such a lovely answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 12. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 1.
Hello, Binuka Tenonbi, right?
Hello, ma'am. Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, a bit, but excited too.
Okay. My question is, what do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today?
Well, thank you so much for the question, ma'am. And once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think the youth of today is facing the problem of believing in themselves. Well, I am also facing that. Like, I was a young woman who was really
Don't be nervous. You can. Please, don't give up.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, I am a young woman who is driven by kindness, confidence, and empathy. But what is the most problem I really see in the youth of today's is to believe in themselves. Well, we all know that we, the people of today's generation, are facing a lot of silent crisis. And we, the youth of today, are facing like child abusement, a lot of sexual harassment, a lot of marital rape. So I really wanted to bring I would really like to bring the changes in our society, like where every woman feels completely safe, protected, and valued for who we are, where we women can show the world that we women can also make a difference no matter how small it is. So by saying these few words, I would like to conclude. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 1. Moving on to next contestant.
So my question to you is, why should you be crowned Miss KYF?
Thank you for the question, Miss. So I believe that I could be a fit for Miss KYF because I am confident, and if I win Miss KYF, I would like to promote my traditional attire and our culture and tradition. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 19.
Contestant 19. You have participated in many beauty pageants, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question is, why is education necessary for us?
Thank you, sir, for these questions. Once again, good evening, everyone. I think education is very important in our life. And today's world, educations also play a very crucial role in one human life. Because education doesn't only give knowledge, but it shapes the characters of one human being. We've seen many educational people succeed in their life. Hence, we can see many people who are non-qualifications left behind, as we can see in our Caribbean community as well. So it's a very hurtful for us to see that. So if I ever get a chance to be a public speaker, I would like to talk about education systems in our society. And I truly wanted to see a change and wanted to bring a change about educational systems in our society. So education is truly important in today's world and each and every human being. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 19. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 14.
Take your time and answer to this beautiful question, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
What does beauty mean to you?
Thank you so much for your question, ma'am. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, beauty to me means not only the outer spirit, but also in the inner spirit, which means confidence, resilient, and being empowered. To me, beauty doesn't only mean the outer, but also the inner spirit. Thank you, ma'am.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Moving on to next, we have last but not the least, contestant number 2.
Hello, Malini.
Hello, ma'am.
Are you nervous?
No, a bit, but excited too.
So, my question is, what makes you stand out from the other contestants?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. According to me, which makes unique with other than other contestants is that my biggest strength will be resilience, because I don't give up so easily, and as well as I like to keep up a balance regarding my failure and success too. No matter what success brings, it may be in the form of failure too, but just taking up in the form of self-development. Because according to me, beauty is our inner development that we take in with all the kindness that we have. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Can we have the music, please? Once again, can we have a big round of applause for all 6 finalists? At this point in time, we are presenting you the final round of the Miss KYL 2026, which is proudly presented by the Karbi Cultural Society in collaboration with the Wea Song NGO. Lone Polito mas sige tipin Richard because na don pala ito ang sige tipin